Well, how's it going, everyone? This is going to be the monthly vlog for November 2021. And as you can see, I'm driving right now. I'm actually on my way to work. My intention for this today was to get up early and find a nice location to shoot the monthly vlog, but I didn't get up early. I decided to sleep in. So that's why I'm recording this on the way to work. Driving through Asheville here, fighting traffic. So what happened this month for the videos? I wrote them all down. Normally when I do these vlogs, I take a bunch of notes about things that I want to talk about, and I just wrote down the videos. I didn't really take any notes. There's no outline for this vlog, completely off the rails. So yeah, the first video was 2 waterfalls that I went to in North Carolina. What was it? Moore Cove Falls and Looking Glass Falls. Really cool. It seems like so long ago, but I did that probably late October. The leaves were just incredible when I went there. And that kind of sparked one of the next videos that I did last week. Or maybe it was, no, I missed last week. The week before, I made like a waterfalls compilation video. And then the other video was a Mount Mitchell hike attempt. Yeah, I didn't make it to the top of that one, but I made it most of the way there. I think I was like 2 miles from the top, but man, I was just feeling like shit. Oh, man, I just feel like shit. And I decided to turn back. So it is what it is, man. I don't have to like, I'm gonna make it to the top no matter what. I'm not like that. I just wasn't feeling like going on a hike, and I was really feeling like shit, so I turned around. I don't know why you would want to feel miserable on a hike. But yeah. Anyways, crossing over the beautiful French Broad River now. I know you can't see it, but this is right outside of, well, it goes right through Asheville, basically. And yeah, the other video there was that waterfalls compilation video, which, you know, was kind of just looking for a video to put together, and I had been wanting to make one of those for a while. So yeah, I think that one came together pretty good. I kind of wish I had gotten it done quicker, because I wanted to like spice it up with some fancy titles, but I didn't have time to make those. I really want to start doing that more, getting into After Effects a lot more, putting some cool graphics. I've done that in a lot of videos in the past, where I put like it's like an animated line that shows you like where I'm hiking, and sort of like an animated map graphic. I've been meaning to do that more often, just to sort of showcase my editing abilities. Not that you guys really care about that, but just to help like show you where I am, because I move around so much. I mean, a lot of videos were in Arizona. All of a sudden I'm out here in North Carolina. I think it would be helpful to show the map before each video, before I do a hike or whatever I'm doing. So yeah, I don't really know what's next for this channel. I got something in my eye while I'm driving. This is really dangerous. I can't see. Oh man, I wonder how many accidents have been caused by somebody getting something in their eye while they're driving. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't really know what's next for this channel. What I've been gonna try to do is sort of recut my Pacific Crest Trail footage. There's a lot of stuff that I didn't put in there in the vlog from the PCT earlier this year, so I'm gonna try to recut it into sort of like my first like long form content on this channel. I don't want to call it a documentary, because I don't know, it's kind of like just my vlogs and my thoughts while I was out on the trail. So it's not like I was interviewing people. But what I want to do is just sort of condense it to some of the best moments or some of the worst moments that I had on trail, and just sort of present it in a long form. And there's a lot of stuff that I'll put in there that didn't make it into the cut from the trail, because I was making a bunch of videos from the trail, but then like when I really tried to stick to, I think I did like 2 videos a week from the PCT. And now it's sunset them, I'm not like every Tuesday and Thursday I'm uploading it that day. I would, you know what I mean by sunset the video, I like upload it and then set it to release next Thursday. And I would sort of give myself a 2-week buffer. I mean, for a couple reasons. One, it's just easier to plan your videos and when your next one you should have out, but also just so like weirdos don't know where I am on the trail. You know what I mean? So and in doing that, I sort of fell behind at a couple times I fell behind releasing videos. So what I did was I just like quickly like shot a 10-minute vlog video from the trail or from, you know, one of the trail towns, and then uploaded that, and then all the footage that I shot from my last update just never made it online. So I think when uploading a, you know, I don't know how long it's going to be. I would guess it's probably going to be like an hour-long video, maybe even longer. I'm going to try to condense it to where, you know, it's bearable to watch, obviously. Try to just keep in the best moments. But I think that there's a lot of stuff that never made it online that's really good content, and a lot of stuff that you guys would like to see, of kind of a lot of the shit that I was going through on the PCT. But yeah, I don't want to call it a documentary, just sort of a long form video of my PCT hike earlier this year. So that's sort of a big thing that's coming up. That's another reason why I've kind of haven't been as good at doing hikes around here. I'm also working nights. Like the sun's going down right now. I'm going into work, and it'll probably be like 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, possibly when I get home. It's not really nights, but I mean, you get home at 3, I'm in bed by like 4 to 6, sometimes as late as 6 a.m. I mean, you're waking up at 2 o'clock for my Saturday on my days off, Saturday and Sunday. I would do this 5 days a week. I'm not complaining, guys. I'm happy to be working. I am very grateful to be working, that I have my health. You know, my finances are relatively under control. Just try to be grateful. Try to be thankful, you know, coming off Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Hope you guys had a good one. I went home to see my folks in Nashville. Really good to see them. Good to spend some time at home. Hadn't been home since I moved out here in September, so I plan to go home for Christmas too. It is nice living out here in Arizona or North Carolina. It's only about a 5-hour drive to Nashville to see the folks, so a lot closer than Arizona, certainly closer than Australia, of other places that I've been. But it is really pretty out here. I do enjoy it out here. I think I'll like it more in the spring, and hopefully I can maybe shift to a day shift at work. That would be ideal. But you know, I'm still new, trying to be a good employee. Yeah. What else? What else? Yeah, another thing that I might do next month, I think I'm gonna try to edit sort of like a drone compilation. I've had my drone for maybe a year now, so I think it'd be cool to just compile all the cool shots that I've got with my drone, and just sort of present it as a way like, hey, I know these aren't like the most professional shots. I'm trying to get better with the thing. I fly it a lot. There's a lot of footage that I've shot that I don't put on this channel, but I really want to get good with that thing and make some really cool drone shots. It's really fun to fly. I really enjoy flying the drone. And just seeing like the earth from a spot that's like surrounded by trees and you don't ever get that horizon view from, just putting the drone up in the air and just seeing like the surroundings from the air, it's really cool. I really enjoy flying that thing. But yeah, so I think I'll just present it as sort of a, like, hey, these are the raw shots that I have with owning a drone for the first year. This is all the shots that I got within the first year of owning a drone. And it'll kind of be cool because a lot of the shots are out in Arizona and some of them out here in North Carolina, some shots from Tennessee back home. No shots from the coast yet. I really regret not making it to San Diego while I was living in Arizona or one of the coasts. You know, I really wanted to go to the beach, but I never made it. I was always kind of unsure if this car was going to be able to make it. But here it is, man. This thing is a beast. I know I like talk about how cool this car is in every video. It's like a 95 Honda Accord. But I like this car, man. It's fucking awesome. It's treated me well. I bought it in January of 2017 for $1,700, and now here it is, going on January 2022, pretty soon. So that's 5 years for 1,700 bucks. Pretty good value there. Pretty good. So anyways, enough of the Honda. But yeah, look out for the drone compilation, the PCT long form video, and probably some hikes here and there. But thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time.